It's summertime season, guys, and you all know how drying this period can be for our natural hair. So if you're looking for the easiest, laziest, most stress-free way to keep your natural hair moisturized, soft and protected from breakage this period, you're going to love this recipe. Sit back as I show you how to prepare this using just one simple ingredient. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. So Harmattan season is here and you already know what that means for our natural hair. Dryness, tangles, breakage, and that tight feeling on the scalp that makes you want to scratch or pour water directly on your hair. That's why today I want to show you this simple spray you can make at home in just 2 minutes using only aloe vera. Now, to prepare this spray, you're going to start with prepping your aloe vera. You're going to cut it into different parts, then you're going to put it into a bowl, add some water and allow this sit for a few seconds just to get rid of those yellowish substances which are not healthy for your hair. Then you're going to proceed with scooping out your aloe vera gel. Now, since we are not going to be blending this, it's important to follow this same process that I'm using to scoop this aloe vera gel. Now, while you watch me do this, let me tell you why aloe vera is one of the best things you can use on your hair this summertime period. Aloe vera is over 90% water, but it also contains natural humectant. That means it does not just sit on your hair, it actually attracts moisture from the air and pulls it into your strands. And during this summertime period, when the air is very dry, aloe vera helps your hair stay soft instead of turning stiff like dry sponge. And after extracting all our aloe vera gel, this is what we have. You can see how slimy it's all looking, but had it been we blended this aloe vera gel, it's not going to give us this slimy consistency. So that's why as you're using it for this recipe, you're not going to be blending, you're going to just extract the gel using this method. Next, you're going to be adding some room temperature water into the aloe vera gel, just a little, not too much, and you're going to be stirring this together properly. And after that, you're going to allow it sit for a few seconds as well. And the next thing you're going to be doing is to use your strainer, your cheesecloth, stockings, wig cap, or anything you can use to strain at all. Then go ahead and strain this in order to separate the juice from the pulps. This process is really important. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, vitamin E, and B12. This vitamin strengthens your hair strands and reduces snapping, shedding, and breakage. So if you're noticing tiny broken hairs on your shoulders, pillow, or combs, aloe spray is going to help with that. And also, it doesn't just help with dryness, it also helps to promote hair growth. Aloe contains enzymes that cleanse your scalp, unclog your follicles, and allow your hair to grow freely. Now, after straining, you can see all those particles. Don't waste it. Just go ahead and pour it back into your aloe vera plant. Now, I'll go ahead and pour this gel into my applicator bottle. If you don't have an applicator bottle, you can as well use your fingers to apply this to your hair. At this point, please feel free to add in some oils into this gel. You can add your hair growth oil or any essential oil. I have some oil left in this applicator bottle, so that's why you didn't see me adding in any extra oil. Our aloe vera gel is ready, so I'll just go ahead and show you how I apply this to my hair. This aloe spray is for all hair type, whether you're type 4A, 4B, 4C, you have a short hair, long hair, thick, thin, natural, relaxed, or transitioning. This aloe vera gel is gentle and safe for everyone. You can use it as a detangler, you can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it before styling, you can use it as a hair growth spray. Just spray directly to your hair, not too much, just just enough to soften your hair, and you're going to be using your fingers to work it in. Focus on the ends of your hair because that's where breakage starts, right? And after applying it all over your hair, you're going to lock in the moisture using your hair butter or your hair oil. This season is always harsh on our natural hair. The dryness in the air pulls moisture out of our hair very quickly, but this aloe will help lock moisture in, and instead of your hair breaking every time you comb it, instead of your ends splitting and becoming weak, aloe is going to keep your strands flexible and hydrated. Try this out and your hair is going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.